trick or treat.
You say you picked that what?
I picked that the cop star sitting right there, so I know most of the cops, they always picking on you. And they always picking around and stuff. I said, listen, I'm sorry, I ain't got no donuts for you. I said, I got some Reese's, which is a protein bar. You want some?
Whoa, you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Let me see you do that again. I can't find your head. You okay down there?
Yeah, I'm alright.
All right, we had to check on you. Tell the people subscribe.
Subscribe.
There you go. He's doing all right, y'all. We headed on out of here.
What took so long? What took so long?
Waiting on Keisha.
Why you late?
Yeah.
What y'all is?
Come on, let's load this back down.
I'm a skeleton. I'm a skeleton. How do you know?
Man, what you for Halloween?
I feel like a whole day on it. That's Halloween.
Wait, let me back. You coming on here?
Come on, come on. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
Look at the train.
Hey, catch the front of me. You're all right, man. You're all right. Let me step it to the side. He is a little scared. Go on. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Why you acting like a little baby? They ain't gonna make it. They scared of the chains. Let's go.
You can offer me a diamond-plated pearl. You can send me all the riches in the world. You can tempt me with the palaces of kings. I'd give them back in a big old sack and keep the simple things.
I do.
What y'all supposed to say when you go up there?
Thank you.
What do you say before that? What do you say? What's the magic words to get candy?
There you go.
Don't let me drop it on the ground. Let me see, make sure you got it on. There you go. You're welcome.
Oh my goodness. Starburst or you want chocolate?
Decisions. Where you at, baby girl?
On the other
There
side.
you go. Right there, I think you got to put your mouth.
Baby girl, did you already go? What'd you get?
I mean, if I can.
You didn't recognize?
You did recognize it. What are you, Spider-Man? I like that.
Turtle.
Hey, David.
All mixed up in there. Are you Ralph or Michelangelo? What color are you?
My name's
Ralph?
No,
Leo.
Leonardo.
Okay.
I'm looking for Astrobot.
Oh.
You better give me
It's a good orange.
Thought you had me a
Five Nights at Freddy's.
They'll shut nothing. They get the candy, won't give them nothing.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
Hey, are you Christian?
Yep.
Keith.
All right. We on to the next, guys. On to the next.
Okay.
You went to the
When y'all up there, you gotta say we're ready. And I can't hear when y'all ready.
Got it.
Hold on. Okay, they gonna let us walk. All right.
Then we gotta say we're ready.
Oh, y'all got it now. Yeah.
You can write it.
All right.
Pikachu!
Okay.
Oh, sorry. No, you're good. I'm just using you, really. I feel safer when I'm touching you. Listen, because if I fall, I'm going to just grab you.
No, it's not a light. Well, it does light up, but it's a plane. Yep, it's a plane.
I need a light.
Oh. Well, you might not get that just yet.
Y'all think they got
the Dollar Tree got some of them bracelets?
some of them glow sticks?
Oh, wow.
Oh, we're off the road. We're off the road, y'all. We're off road.
Somebody got a chainsaw.
They're running a chainsaw at that house up there. All right, we're headed to our next drop. RJ, what we after this time? Y'all know we do a Halloween. Peanuts.
Them boiled peanuts.
RJ said he after what CJ was eating in that other video, pistachio D's nuts. He said he's after them. And I hope he gets some. Head on up. Head on up.
Trick or treat, smell me, see, give me something good to
Yeah.
eat. If you don't, I'll
Over there, I
I'll
think.
just change my underwear.
Y'all know we throw y'all a Halloween rendezvous video every year. This is a little different. It's in the country, a little dark.
Mother, here's my baby girl. Trick or treat, mother, give me your candy. The wig is gone, huh? The wig's done.
Go, y'all gonna get it or what? Go say trick or treat.
It's stuff itself.
What? Oh, death is
Sorry. I know, tell Timmy where.
I almost fell. Wait. Chase ain't even here, bro.
Oh, that's so cute. A little bit.
He says it's hot, you know. How you doing? How you doing? Good, good. That's nice.
And we got Frankenstein's laboratory around under the carport.
Okay, I think we'll check it out.
But don't forget the candy.
Don't forget the candy on the way out. I see. Y'all want to go to the candy? It's over there. It's right there, baby girl.
Hey, how you doing?
Look at the train.
Hey, touch the front of it. You're right, man. You're right. Let me step it to the side. He is a little scared. Go. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Stop. Why you acting like a little baby? They ain't gonna make it. They scared of the chains. Right?
When he goes the other way, if you want to, come around and look.
Alright. Baby, come on, baby girl. He said he gonna carry us back there.
Come on, he's gonna carry us. We're gonna be all right. Come on.
I'm trying to take a picture, but Madison, are we gonna
That's cool.
Yep, just keep going. Watch your step right here.
Okay. Alright. Watch your step, guys. That's cool.
And look up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You know, that's what the lightning hits. And it comes down through all this and goes over to the framework where the monster's body is.
How did you do this? You put some thinking into that.
Watch too much TV.
That's smart. Sharp.
Well, thank you. That and the frame is parts of antenna tower.
Antenna tower.
Yep.
Right here.
And the control panel, I bet it's got parts of 50 different things in it, including the washing machine.
Yeah, that's real cool. Look up, man. Look up.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
That's very cool.
But it's not 100%. You notice nothing's wired up, so you got to come back next year and see it all wired up. Beautiful. And
You mean you can wire it up, make it work effectively?
well, now it's not going to have real electricity coming. It'll just be wire with nothing on it. But like everything in the control panel,
Yeah.
it's all extension cords and 2 lamps.
Oh man, that's cool.
I don't know what that frame was. I bought it at a yard sale.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I like that.
Thank you.
What kind of work do you do? Do you have a background in this?
No. I work for Taylor Land Management. If you've ever heard of them,
Taylor. Yeah. I know the guy.
Yeah. Now, the people that do the real work, they're too valuable to run errands and get parts and go to the bank. So that's what I do. But I don't go to work every day. He calls me when he wants me, and he still pays me. I don't make much, but I don't do much.
You don't need much. You happy right here. You don't need much. You got a nice setup though.
And you know, when I was little, I've never been trick-or-treating.
You didn't go trick-or-treat?
Yep, I didn't.
Come on. That boy's crying.
I didn't care about it till I got grown, and
Now you can get animated with it and do nice stuff with it.
yep.
Chris, what's your name?
Greg Griffin.
Greg Griffin. Okay, good to meet you, man.
Good to meet you.
I'm gonna sneak on out.
All right, well, thanks for coming.
Thank you, Mr. Greg.
We'll see you next time.
For sure, for sure. Oh, you okay? Thank you. Y'all know by now we back again with another.
There you go.
Woo. Woo. Come on, y'all ready? Oh, I didn't know who was up there. How you doing? How y'all? Good. How are you? Good. Good. Happy. Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Thank you.
So well, hey, not all of it. All right, now come on out of here. Get you one of these. Yeah. That's good. Come on.
Grab you one, put in here.
Good job. Trash? Give it to me. I'll take the trash.
All right, grab you one.
Say thank you. Now let's roll. Thank you. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Good, good. What y'all supposed to say? Happy Halloween. You say you picked that what?
I picked that top star sitting right there, so I know most of the cops, they always picking on you. And they always picking around and stuff. I said, listen, I'm sorry, I ain't got no donuts for you. I said, I got some Reese's, which is a protein bar. You want some?
We were just talking about that. You sure? Thank you, baby girl. Hey, I'm gonna make you give it back.
Y'all get what
Thank
y'all
you.
want? Y'all want any?
Yeah. I said no. You're supposed to act like an adult. I can't resist these. Let me get one too. Thank you.
Driver want one too? Driver
You want some candy?
Oh, I'll come to you.
Look at the service. Y'all ready to get on out of here, ain't y'all? Y'all enjoyed it some?
Oh,
You enjoyed it some? Yeah. Seeing the kids come through.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's always good. Everything here. Come through here. So y'all got to check out all the costumes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Appreciate y'all. Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
Hi.
They ain't sharing none. I'm having the same issue. I'm having the same issue, Kiki. Baby girl, if I don't get no Butterfinger from here, we gonna head it right on back home.
I did say thank you.
Huh?
I did say thank you.
Oh, and I said that you didn't? Oh, I didn't hear you. My bad. I was wrong. My bad. Make sure you do it again.
Watching him run up the driveway was hilarious. Got it? Keep cool. They're battery operated. So.
Happy Halloween.
Happy
Thank you. Good job.
Free candy.
How you doing?
We do it.
But only problem is how you took on my lap.
I did. Hold on, we gotta find them.
I got one more.
It's lit up pretty good. We got green, pink. Yeah. Y'all say thank you.
Yes, I just said.
Now I got one. The other two. Now I gotta stick them in the corners over there.
I can reach them now.
Boy, get out of my stuff.
It's okay. As long as you didn't get hurt.
Bucket, you want a bucket? Bucket.
Why are you still digging for candy, right?
That sounds like me.
Handing them the stuff.
All right, you ready?
Pick my bag up.
How are you? Good, good.
I'm about to try to reach the dog.
Your poodle.
Poodle? Look at that. Y'all ready? Which one? Spider-Man?
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Good job. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Calvin, your arms.
All right. Let's see if we can find us another. What y'all say? Y'all want to try to find one more? Let's go to these apartments. You think they giving out candy in the apartment?
Probably.
There's an apartment. There's an apartment.
There's Kaylin.
Whoa, you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Let me see you do that again. I can't find your head. You okay down there?
Yeah, I'm alright.
All right, we had to check on you. Tell the people subscribe.
Subscribe.
There you go. He's doing all right, y'all. We headed on out of here. Have a good night.
He's falling.
Trey took off running in that suit. He had a lot of candy. Yeah, y'all gotta pay. They took y'all with them.
One
Yeah,
candy apiece.
you gotta pay. It's called taxes.
And one apiece.
That's too high.
Don't look at it, just pass it. Let me see what. Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Other piece drove y'all around.
One
Y'all ain't
apiece.
give him no
Don't look
gas
at it.
money. Give him some Skittles.
No, I'm good, bro.
Yeah.
One apiece.
He don't want no
All
light.
right, I'll take it.
What about you?
Don't be
Keisha,
trying
what
to
kind
pick
you
out
want?
candy.
You can
Give
give
me just one apiece, baby. One apiece.
Oh, man, I'm getting
Oh,
I got that
perfect.
too.
Yeah, y'all got it. 3 in a row.
You gotta give me one because I'm his brother.
all right.
Yeah.
That's what.
Candy sticks we were just talking about.
Thank you. Now tell the
There you
people
go,
thanks for watching so we get up out of here.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.